Welcome to EDU World Space.
Problem. This one takes a little bit to get into. And so it wants you to, it says the number of calories per serving for a selected ready-to-eat cereals is listed here. Construct a frequency distribution using 7 classes. Draw a histogram, a frequency polygon, and an ogive for the data using relative frequencies. So when you're using relative frequencies, I'm just going to hit escape for 1 second, and I just want to move this over. Okay, and then I'll go back to making this bigger. So to make a, I have to first make a frequency table. And so I have to create 7 classes. And so my classes are going to be 75 through 104, 105 to 134, 135 to 164, 165 to 194, 195 to 224, 225 to 254, and then 255 to 284. Okay, so here's my table. And so then I took the data and I created some tally marks, okay, using the data. So I got 8 here, 13 tally marks here, 2 here, 9 here, 11, 2, and 2. And then I had to come up with the relative frequency. So that was 8 out of 47, which is 17%. Then I had 13 out of 47, which is 28%. Then I had 2 out of 47, which is 4%, which means that these ones are both 4%. 9 out of 47, which is 19%, and 11 out of 47, which is 23%. Okay, so that's how I came up with my relative frequency. Now I'm going to go back to the histogram. I'm just going to move this forward, bring to front. Okay. And just going to make it a little bit bigger so to cover. Oop, I think that's fine. Okay, so now I'm going to make my histogram. And so for my bins, so this goes to 105 starts here, and then 135, and then it goes 165. That's 105, 165, and then it goes, let me erase these. Oh, I can't erase that stray mark, I don't think. We'll try. This one I can't. Oh, nope, it's not letting me. All right, so 165, and then it goes 195, 225, and then 255. Okay, so then when we're doing this for percentages, I'm going to go by 5%. So this is 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, 25%, and then we have 30%. Okay, so going from 75 to 104 is 17%. So it's about right here. And then I'm going to change my color. And then the next one is going up to 28%. So right about here. Oops. Maybe down there a little bit. Okay, and so then that, and then for the next one, it goes 4% and then 19%. So 4%, And then this one is also 4%. And, oh, 255, 225. Did I skip one? So it goes 4%, 19%, 165, and then 23%. Oh, okay, that's because it, okay, I put this in the wrong one. I knew something didn't look good. So the other purple one is 23%, so that would go right about here. And then 4% goes right about here. And then filling in the other 4% is right about there. And then the 19% is right about here. Okay, so now with the frequency polygon, I'm just going to take that and it's going to look like this. I'm just going to put a dot in the middle. And then it looks like that. Okay, and then the ogive is just this without the bars. So you're pretty much going, so let me just 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So you're starting, so you're just going like this without, okay, and you'll just do that and just finish it. So I hope that this video has helped. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.